Hello friends, if you are looking for running large language models locally and you want to unleash the complete power of large language models like Llama 3.1, Mistral, etc., then this particular tool is the most easy way to start. Okay, the tool name is LM Studio and you can run quite nicely many models on this tool. It's a Microsoft application, and if you see, I have like around 4 or 5 models which I'm running on this studio, and the results are really good. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FA Card Studios. My name is Aman, and today we are going to learn more about LM Studio, how to install it and how to run it. So let's get started. So to download the studio, you need to come to this website and you can download according to your operating system. It is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. So you click here, download, and then it will, analyze the system, and then you can simply go ahead and click here to download. Okay. Once you need to download, and then you need to save it to any location, and once you save it, you can run it. It doesn't matter where you save the setup file because the default installation will happen in your app data. Once you click it, it will, automatically download everything for you, and the setup got completed automatically. And once it is updated, you will get an icon. Now this is like a basic interface. It looks quite similar to many text models like ChatGPT, etc. The interface is quite similar. Here you have downloads. Like if you doing any download, you can open download directory where will be like your models got saved. Okay, this is the setting. You can click here to check if there is any update. This will be your which language you want the interface. These are some theme option. So nothing much here. At present, there is no model. So you need to, click and download some model. It will suggest you this model. And this is like a 4.92 GB, 3.18 bit. I will click here to download this model. It will show me the progress. It is downloaded. So I'm going to click here, cancel this, to load the model. This model is a Llama 3.1 version from Meta with 4K quantization. Now it's time to test this model. Let's start our first chat. Let's rename it. Like I am going to name it test 01. Press OK. So let's say I want to ask a question. Say what is photosynthesis? Now it is giving me an output. So if you see, this is quite interesting, giving me a nice output. So if I want to, I can customize the chat. Like for example, you are a digital marketing expert. Suggest me some Instagram post ideas for New Year. Let's see what it is going to give me. It is giving me some good options like before and after photographs, grateful from past New Year, a lot of things. So it is working just like how you use ChatGPT, but there is no limit. Okay, and this is going to stay between you and your computer, within your computer. No third party access for this post. So it will be private. So for example, for privacy reason, you do not want to share the information with anybody. So you can try this. Okay. And also this can, do chatting from a doc, PDF, and plain text. For example, let me load this PDF, A Tale of Two Cities. Okay, this is a quite famous novel, but let's see if it is going to work. I'm pretty sure it is going to work. So let's say, who is the writer of this book? It is going to analyze the PDF. So Charles Dickens. And I'm going to ask another question. Give me a short information summary based on the chapter, the period. Let's hear how it is going to do it. Okay, it is trying to retrieve information. It is going to give a basic intro about that period chapter. It is actually doing a good job. Let me create another unnamed chat. Now what I am going to do, I am going to try write a code in C for basic calculators. Okay, now I have this code. Now quite a big code it is writing for me, and with the code it is also giving me like what particular function is doing what. So if I want, I can use it in any C compiler and run it. So it is also creating code for me. Okay, now let's talk about the interface of LM Studio, and we will also learn how to download more models in the studio. So the interface is quite basic. Here you get the setting where you can see a lot of things like your language, your themes, okay, your prompt suggestion, etc. Then we have system resource, how much VRAM is used for this particular model, and like it's like a, when you use it, you can understand how much RAM is used, how much VRAM is used, and how much CPU is used. So it is like a system resource for LM Studio. Now when I come to this section, chats, I can create a group. For example, say coding, and I created a group. Now in this I can move this chat, so I can organize my chats here. So it will keep everything organized. Now if I want to add some more models, how I'm going to do it? So for that you need to click here, discover. Now first it will give you like the quite famous one. They call it staff picked, and a lot of models are listed here. And if I click on them, it will give you a model card where it tell you how many variants are available and how much RAM it is going to take. So for example, Llama 3.21b, if I click here, it give me a size, and it will give me like how many variants are here. So there is only one variant, so just one variant is available. So you can also download uncensored models here. So let me see if I can find anything here. Okay, let's say search all. Let me type uncensored. So now it is giving me the uncensored list. Okay, whatever uncensored models are, you can download from here. And to download any model, like for example Llama 3, like C uncensored, so it give me variation, and it also gave me an option, like it gives me an idea which will work best on my computer. Okay, so till Q5, 5K quantization, everything can be handled very nicely on my computer. But if I go here, extra RAM resources will be used. And you can get more information by clicking on model card. So you can either copy the URL or you can open it directly in the browser. It will go to Hugging Face and give you complete detail about this model. Okay, so this is how you can learn more about the model. Okay, and if I click download here, it will start downloading the model for my studio that I'm not going to do right now. So that's all the basic about LM Studio, and I hope you like this small tutorial on LM Studio. And if you like this, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share with your friends who are interested in AI technologies. So that's all for today's video, and we will meet soon in the next video. Till that time, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for your time.